Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. It was really wonderful week. Almost 95% of the stock that we gave were up to the mark. Now let's analyze some stock which are going to be further buy in next week. All right. So before we begin, I would like you all to subscribe, share, and like so that you don't miss any of our video in your future. Right now, let's head back to MU stocks. I think it's a hotspot stock right now. Now if you all can see here, the MU has been I have given that like after the $84 that it in our last video. All right, I have given that even after the $84 it didn't go up to the mark. All right, and it reversed from that zone. Now in past week, I have told that this will be the selling zone, which is a good way to sell. All right, so here we started selling, and I also told you all that you don't have to you don't have to go for buy in middle of that, and you still need to look for 76 to $77 around. All right, here now if you can see that the market has come to this point, to the watch list zone. All right, now what we can really expect from the MU right now, even though the MU is gonna go down from this side, I am not going to go for a sell. All right, because anytime it can go for buy, because as you all can see the RSI has showing the diversion as well. All right, RSI is showing the diversion. That means that the buying is the order is filling around here. All right, so we can really expect around the market. All right, we can really expect the market that the market is going for a buy, a good buy is coming around. All right, and for now if you all can see, if I move it to 4 hour, so it's gonna a good buy. What we can really expect from the MU stock right now, that if it started buying from this zone, it will break the $84, because $84 will no longer be a good resistance. I mean, it won't be a a strong resistance. It can really start breaking, or maybe if there any kind of news ahead and we see that there are any kind of hurdles that coming around into the market, then we can really expect, and I'll update you all with that. But currently if you can buy this from this here, we can really expect that the market will go around this and then break out and then go for the 96 zone. All right, so you can plan your trade behind the ideas that how you can utilize these ideas into your trading. All right, now coming to AMD. With the AMD, as always I have told you all, this is the major resistance zone right now that it is traveling to. All right, and as you all can see, I have also told in our last video that whenever, if you're lucky enough and we get to this point, I mean around $80, then you can really plan for a buy on AMD. And it really played really well. From the $80 it went to $84, almost $4 move it gave from that zone. So if you have if you have traded the options, etc., you would have made almost 100% of your return from this AMD, because we actually made from this AMD. all right, now what we can see in next this coming week right now, as you all can see that the market is forming a range right now in here, and it's kind of range, and this is traveling totally based on resistance zone. All right, it's totally on the resistance zone until or unless there's some kind of sell, some kind of bearish signals coming over. We cannot really expect the market to go for sell right now. All right, so looking for if you look on the daily basis, it's it's looking really smooth, and we can really expect that the market has been forming a good resistance zone on our. Let me show you here. All right, this will be $85 will be a good resistance zone after all. Although 84 to $85 is the good resistance, $86 around, we can really expect that the market will have a good resistance zone on daily. Now if you come back to the weekly chart. all right. So on weekly, if you could see, the market has been respecting this 84 or $85 around. It is really respecting so well. Here it formed inverted hammers, big, a big rejection from the zone, and we can really expect that the market might not really behave well, and we can, until or unless the market close in bullish on weekly, we cannot really expect this market to go for around $100 around. All right. So with AMD, we are going to watch. All right, I'll update you if there is anything. Okay, so now let's get back to the neo. With the neo, I have told you all, and this currently is not really looking good. We can really expect that the market might go in this range, not range, it's a higher high higher low. All right, now we can really expect that the market might come to this point, almost $46 this round, and then we can really expect that what market is going to go for, in which direction they are going to go for. All right, and after all, this is major support zone that I have drawn. It's around 42 to $44. All right, as you all can see here, and also on weekly it has broken the major resistance zone. All right, so we can really expect that the market will go in a good buy soon, very soon. All right, now coming to the Apple has given almost 100% return in here. Okay, now let's begin with higher time frame. Now if you see on the weekly chart, it's really good. I mean, if you could see the market in here, it has really respecting the the support zone right now here. All right, and now we can really expect that the market will move around to this zone, but I personally say I think that the market will go up to $140 now. All right, so just the weekly overview right now for me, and I would only trade the Apple on weekly zone, not on the hourly zone. Hourly zone, if you could see, what would be your the stop loss or something. I would recommend that the market has been forming the higher high higher low, so we can we can really expect that after it coming to the support zone, the market will go up to the for next buy from here. All right, from next buy from here. So we can really expect that the $135 is very near in the market. We can really expect that the market is going to go for a buy. All right, now coming to SPY has given almost almost, I have told you all not to buy because it's not really looking worth, and after the Fed news, it has dropped up to $413 something, for $415. all right, I have told that it is making higher high higher low. You can really expect this stop loss if you are going for a buy, and you can really reverse the position if it turns around. So if you could see in here, the market has been forming is totally resistance zone. All right, now the market has been forming higher high higher low. All right, and from here it started selling, it break down. After breaking down, it went to $415. Now what we can really expect from the market, I mean, when we can really expect that the market is going to go for a buy. Now if while going for a buy, I think we really have to wait for some time, because market has been in a selling zone. All right, and I have also drawn the major support zone, which is $414, but I don't think this is going to hold for longer period of time. So we can really expect that the market might if around here, if we see any kind of the range bond or any kind of pattern, we would really see that how the market is going to go for. All right, so with SPY, I'll stay still right now. I'm not gonna enter into the SPY. Now if you come to INTC, I think I have always been recommending that INTC is a good sell. All right, if you could see, the market has broke down really, and if you could see on weekly, all right, so if you could see on weekly, this is pure sell. All right, we can really expect the market to go around this I would say 46 to $44, and this would be a good buy zone for INTC. Alright, so I'm really expecting the market is going to go for going to go up to the $44 something, and then we can really expect the market is going to go for a buy. Alright, now coming to BA is still a buy, although it is not really playing well right now. Okay, we were expecting that the market is going to go for a buy, but it has really reversed from the zone, and also it has broken the the major support area from this, and then it is traveling totally on a major support area. Now we really need to see how this market is going to behave on this zone. All right, because market might make range and then goes up. All right, so we really need to wait and see how BA is moving. So I'll update you about the BA as well if I see that we have got a good opportunity in this. Coming to Tesla is always a good buy. I'm still telling you all that it has been giving a good return. Alright, I have been buying it from. Alright, Tesla is a good buy, and I have been buying from this zone. As you all can see that the market is forming a low higher high, okay, higher high, lower high, okay, and if you could see, here is a mid-range that we can really expect that the market might break out and then go up. I'm still telling you all to go for a buy. It's a good opportunity. It can go up to $760 in coming 6 months, so I think it's the best investment. All right, for now. Coming to Uber has been going into the same direction that I have given already. If you could come to the hourly chart, you all could see that the market is forming a range, but there is a bit possibility to go for a buy as well, because if it has to drop, it would have already dropped, but this is forming a major support zone which is around $48. Below $48 we can really expect that the market is going to go around $44. all right, but after the we can really expect that if market goes breaking down this all right, then we can really expect that the market is going to go around $60. Okay, so this is basic idea behind the Uber. Now coming to Twitter part, Twitter is still playing around. I think what would be our stop loss to maintain for Twitter? I would say that this will be a major resistance zone, which will be, you can really expect that the $59 would be a major support zone. If it breaks below that, I think I would suggest you all to exit from the Twitter, whoever is holding here. All right, and wait for the next opportunity in the Twitter. All right, now I think coming to Qualcomm. All right, now it is it is traveling on the support zone, and the major resistance is $140. all right, if you come to the 4-hour chart, it's if you could see that the market has formed a major support zone, all right, which is $132, $132, and major resistance zone which is $136 right now. All right, now what will be our next if it breaks out from here, so what will be our next move for going for a buy? $140 will be our target, and where we are going to buy Qualcomm. With Qualcomm, where we are going to go for a buy, so for better entry we will be waiting on 15-hour charts. all right, and I would be watching it around the current zone. Right now the current zone, it is traveling, so in here I would really expect, if the market goes little, so it shows a good bullish signal around, and then I can really expect that the market might go up to $140, which I'll be holding it for. all right, and I would say for PayPal, no, I think this is it. I will be doing a lot better from the stocks that I have given right now. all right, so I hope this video helps a lot, and you will be making good profit returns on as always. all right, so I'll winding up. Thank you for coming again.